A Nigerian TikToker called Mr. Chi TV is missing in Ghana, and Nigerians are all over the internet right now blaming Ghanaians for kidnapping this very guy and also thinking maybe this guy will be in the case study of the Ghana police. When I saw them talking about all of this and saying things that they did not know anything about, what came to my mind is that, why are these people talking like this? They think Ghana is like Nigeria. Yes, that's their thought. They are thinking Ghana is like Nigeria, that law don't work. See, I just pity these people, these Nigerians, especially the ones abroad. You don't know what is happening here. You will just be opening your mouth and be saying what you do not know anything about. What you've never experienced. That's the problem I'm having with you guys. Instead of you to listen to people that are living here or that had experience in Ghana, but you will just be there in US, UK, and other countries cleaning things you do not know anything about. I just pity you guys. And likewise, this guy called Barrister, I don't even know how to pronounce your surname. That Barrister, you are a Ghanaian, but I'm very disappointed the way you even responded. I don't even know what to say at this point. Instead of you to just tell them, as a Ghanaian that you are, let them know that law works here in Ghana. If they report the case to the police, anyhow, this guy will be fished out. That's if he is still in Ghana. You see, but this guy just tried to bring the name of Ghana to the mud. If not that, why? Why are you even bringing yourself into this kind of thing? Why? Why? Is it because of the small change those Nigerians are sending to you? Oh, you even said it with your mouth that they should not leave this guy the same way they abandoned you. Now so you like money, beggar. Now waiting you sabi do be that. Well, guys, I have the conversation here with me. I want you guys to go through it, and please, at the end of it, I have something to say. Let's get right into it.
Ebusia, come with me again. Oh, come with me again. We shall know they be can say filler. Ebusia, and I just jump on a particular live stream where these Nigerians they are not even in Ghana. They are not in Ghana, and they were discussing. You see, a brand TBD, the Mr. Chi say Chi TV na omu. Now, Ebusia, I listened to them very carefully, and they are not ready to listen to any other thing. Even I'm told to say basket mouth eba honoma omu tutubi mana omu yi no kra afimu ni ade. And I'm asking myself, if you guys know this Chi guy is missing, which all of you are saying say he's been doing one or two things with the self-acclaimed and baffle guy Chukwudi, why can't you guys go and ask Chukwudi about the whereabouts of this guy? Now my better social media can say akwane ila. Having so there's one guy or someone say, did you guys report the case? And they couldn't say anything. They are just beating around the bush and saying all that. I am here because I feel like this is a setup and this is a plan. And we want to expose these guys back to back. I'll give you guys a chance to go and listen to these guys that are talking on TikTok. These are set up of Nigerians who are not even living in Ghana. And they are doing all this. Now let's go quickly and go and listen to their lies.
Joshua, you hear me? You know what this guy do? This guy play a very smart one on all of us.
We saw what he did.
First, just deflect away. The first thing he did is to change the narrative that he's not missing, so that a lot of people will go buy into his narrative.
Exactly.
Then the second thing, he can't talk with 1 year as if he won't help.
MC say he just talked
now.
To
his message has been passed. His message has been passed. He's not missing. Now to send them a country.
MC said that come up.
In the meantime, let's hear from Barrister, please. Curious, we'll borrow your box. Let's get MC up.
Yes, please. He said please, let's get information.
Somebody has made video about this guy that is.
We are talking about life here. Nobody, this matter, they very anybody
is not missing. Allow him to say the best way to find it.
I not even want. Yeah, what you want to.
That was my response to him. Somebody has said made a video on the stage that for 2 weeks.
Now your children they miss you. You come here to say nonsense thing like this.
Good evening, guys. Good evening. Good evening. I'll be here since I hear the team, but the guy is my friend. I've made some call. I went to his profile. I went to his profile and I saw a video he did when he went to the King's Palace. So I saw a video. I saw two numbers. I called one. The first one don't go. Then I called the other one. Somebody pick. I can't say I've been brother because I brought number. I call her. I talk to her. So the person called it. Tell me, I play voice recording on TikTok. Yeah, just mute and listen.
His family his brother, his big brother, they are three. His big brother, the one that he followed his big brother, then he, the last one. Okay, go to one of them, and I've tried all of them, and then they say they are working on it. Okay, the where he lives, are they trying to ask the landlord or if anybody came there to pick him or whatever? Yeah, I've asked the landlord. Yeah, he's not saying that where he's living, but his neighbors over there because I wasn't at home. Yes, I wasn't around, so yes, I'm at a website. Okay, at Accra inside, and then he is at let's say 20 miles to where he's staying, is where I'm working. Okay. So when I came here like 2 weeks. Yeah. Then I called him, he called me, we talked, and I told him I'm having some work, so I've not come to his side. So it's really well, if I finish the contract, I'll come around. Okay. So when I had a free time from work, I went there to see, because I have to go home and see my family. So I went to his place, and they told me he has gone out, but they haven't seen him. Okay, it's okay, no problem. Maybe he went to his brother's place. Once I call his line, it's not going. Then okay, no problem. So then I have to go home, and then the second day I came, he's not yet back, and I came to site. And then the following week, I went home again to his place, and then they told me since then you haven't seen him. Wow. Since when? So that is since when? Right now, when I'm going like getting to like 1 month, 3 weeks now. Yes, 1 month, 3 weeks now. Okay. So, but that time it was like 3 weeks. That time I was talking, it was like 3 weeks. Okay, please, so, please, I'll call you back, sir. Please help me just to reach out to his brother there so that we can know what to do. We can know. Yeah, please. Okay. I'll get this. I don't know. My line is WhatsApp. If you can let us talk about, I'll get the brother line to you. Okay. So he'll give you all the details. Okay, let me write you on WhatsApp now. So that I text it to you. Okay.
Okay, guys, and he just text me his brother's number now on WhatsApp. So I think I will DM it to you, the host, so you can still reach out to the brother. So can know situation of thing. The guy is missing.
DM me to friendship too on the group.
The guy is missing. It's
obvious. This guy is missing.
Yes. He's missing.
And that stupid parrot mouth come here. He's not missing.
He's missing.
He's not missing.
Yeah.
Stand for truth. I beg, forget the guy.
He's missing. So they just text me. He just texted me.
The last time I talked to him.
The last time I talked to him. We go play Adamant's ear to him. Since he come here, come they talk nonsense.
I will tell his brother number to you now, so because he call in so that
I beg you don't create that Telegram group.
So I will drop the number there because this guy I called now is the guy that he normally used to do video with.
Please, can we allow Mr. Agbato to?
Yes. Let me just finish. The last time I spoke to him, I've not created the group. Joshua created the group and send us the link. The last time I spoke to him was October 25th. Then 5 days later, which was October 30th, I contacted him again because after 5 days, I did not see him online. It did not go through. I tried calling a direct call from the UK and it did not ring. John Gold also called my attention to it. I also called Mommy's attention. Mommy said the guy is fine, but he's going to see what she's going to do.
I beg, come on, this guy from here now. Who they bring this bastard from? Who is the mod here? What are you guys doing?
So you can speak.
Can you guys hear me?
We can hear you, sir.
First of all, let me say good evening to each and everyone listening to us and the people that have not joined the live too, but they are still on top watching us, hearing us, recording. Good evening to everyone. Quickly, let me say these things. We shouldn't play with this issue at all. This issue of Chiboy missing out. We shouldn't play with this issue. Have we tried reaching his personal contact? If we didn't get him, what are we doing about it? Have we reported the case to the police? That we have not been able to be locating this guy. Have you reported the case to the police? What is our next move? And I see no reason why we will gather over here. We need to have a private place where we will discuss our own issue. Do you understand? It is too open. You take that's all of them. Everybody have private groups that they discuss their thing. For some time now, I've not been active on social media just because I've been busy with some work around. But by the grace of God, because of this issue, I need to activate myself back again, and I need to go back home. Because when I'm not home, I don't do videos like that and post updates and all those things. So please and please, guys, I'm begging you, let's avoid using abusive words on each other. Let's avoid attacking each other on the platform. Let's make sure that we find this guy wherever he is. Let's continue calling his number, his personal number, and let's make sure that we report to several police stations. Let's make sure that we raise awareness of the missing of Chiboy. If we don't take time or we don't act fast and something happened to this boy, it may not be good. This is what happened to me. If not because of Stand for Truth and Jay Flezer, most of you will not be aware that I've been picked because I've just been invited. Nobody knew. I've not had access to my phone to call anybody. But when I was going to the police station, I was able to contact Stand for Truth. And I told her, this is what is going on. I've been invited to the police, so I'm going over there. In case you don't hear from me, meaning I've been detained. That was how come she find out that I've been detained. And after being detained, if you don't know the law, they will keep you over there. You can't reach anybody. So either Chiboy have been arrested by police or have been kidnapped. That's how I'll put it. Either Chiboy have been arrested by police or have been kidnapped. If he have been arrested by police, let's report the case to the police. Everywhere you are in Ghana, report the case to the police that you have not been able to find this your friend Chiboy. Do you understand? And when you do that, it will become numerous to the extent that they will start looking for this guy. And if it is the police that have arrested this guy, they will give us the information that this guy be picked so and so at this place. Do you understand? So that we'll be able to. Sorry.
Okay, mommy, you can go ahead with your question, mommy.
Sorry, somebody called me inside.
Okay,
so I am begging each and everyone, let's try to report this case to the police and make sure that we do thorough investigation and pick it. Let's forget about other people that comes and all the fight up and down. Let's make sure that we find wherever this guy is being detained or wherever they have kept him, or either he's missing. And if he's not missing and Chiboy is hearing from Axe right now, because it has been long and I've been active on social media. If Chiboy is not missing, but he's hearing from Axe, please come out and do some video. Let us find out that you are here. Because me, from here where I am right now, I'll be going to the police station and report the case and make sure that they declare that you have been mixing. If we will print some banners and some things and
now sensible people be this one now.
In order to make this thing, I create awareness to the people. So let me advise each and everyone. This thing we are doing, we are trying to fight for peace to reign. I don't see, I see no reason why we will be picking people, kidnapping people. What did the guy did? I want to know all those things. What did he do wrong to be picked or to be kidnapped or to get missing? It is no longer funny. So let's stand.
Remember, Mr. Barrister, before they even invited you, they were trying to hack into your WhatsApp. You remember that?
Yes.
They were tracking you.
They hack into my WhatsApp and
they were tracking
my wife to be's number and call the number. After that, before I found out
ask for your location.
My location and all those things. It is not something, so you have to report the case to the police. So right now, me too, I have case at the police. I reported the case at the police, different police station, about 3. That there are some people that have been chasing me, both motorbikes, some people that have been rasmatizing me through phone calls and WhatsApp calls. So now they have not been doing those things again. Because they told me that anytime they are doing those things, I should send their number to them, they will track them and pick them directly. So let's be very careful with this thing. Let's stop laying accusation on people and all this. And it is not like that. Let's report the case. Anybody that is involved, the police will fish them up. I'm begging each and everyone.
Okay, thank you, Miss Barrister. Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
When it comes to this situation, can we make like multiple entries in the police station?
Yes, we can.
We can. Yes, we can. We can report. The same way they are reporting them to multiple police stations that this is what they are doing and up and down this thing. If this guy, I believe this guy is not, he had not been kidnapped by either by police or by some security service. That's how I believe, because that is the same thing that happened to me. If you ask stand for truth, she will tell you the truth. If not, because I was in the car, I made a video call with her, and I recorded myself, and I told her that, I've been called to the police station, I'm going over there. In case you don't hear from me at the internet, meaning I've been detained. So I've been detained over there the next day before they released me. Do you understand? And let me say this thing. Each and everyone listening to us, the 67 people watching us, and the 113 people that have not joined the live, they are at the top watching us. Please, I'm begging each and everyone, let's try to support each other. Do you understand? This guy that they are picked right now, there are some of you that would choose to be like, it doesn't concern me. You have done it to me. Let me tell you the truth. You have done it to me. You have done it to me. And even when they have found me, I've not seen any support from any of you. I'm begging you, this Chi guy, I am begging you. What you have done to me, let us not do the same thing to him. Let's report this case. Let's make sure we report this case and make sure we save this guy. Even if he have wrong, let's try to make sure that we rectify the wrong that he have done. Anything at all.
Ask another question, please, Barrister.
Yes.
Another question, right? I know this one might sound invasive, right? But are you in Accra?
Yes.
Okay. So, because we are trying to find a link to help, because most of us here, we are not even in Ghana. Do you get me? We are trying to find a link to us and, the police or Ghana, right? I'm humbly pleading, even though you have your own situation going on for you, could you stand in for us, stand as like a mediator in this case? While we talk about it, because
no problem. My sister, this kind of talk, we can talk it in group.
Yes, this is what I'm saying. That we should have a private group and know what will be our next move. Let us stop this thing, tagging people that this is the person, this person is involved, this person is no. This is not the place where we are supposed to be discussing this issue. Let's have a secret group and make sure that we tackle situation amicably. Let's make sure we go to the right procedures. If we don't act fast, you will see as if this guy, you will not find him again. I know what I'm saying. I'm talking about. So I am begging each and everyone. And I want to say it again. What you guys have done to me, some of you guys, let me say it like that. Some of you guys, the way you people have abandoned me, I'm begging you. Chiboy shouldn't be like treated like that. Let's make sure we report this case. Every video you are making, every post you are making, make sure you find this guy.
Hashtag.
Hashtag Chiboy TV.
Hashtag justice for Mr. Chi TV. Where is Mr. Chi TV?
Trenchy, I don't send you the link, so you go send out to everybody.
The reason for the arrest?
Okay, Caesar said he has some information. Please, can we make space for him? Okay, Chiboy request.
Mommy, you know say I know mommy.
Butter, please, I'm begging you.
Caesar.
We don't know if he has been arrested, so we are trying to make report to the police station.
No, I want to know why Mr. Barrister was arrested at the...
They reported him.
Who dropped Barrister now? Who dropped him?
I don't know. Mommy, do you know his first name? Because there's an account I sent him money on his mobile account. Do you know his first name? Because there's a name you called him.
Who they drop people say for your life?
On your host, not look at your screen.
I never understand this host.
Nobody they drop them. Now then drop by themselves. Nobody drop them.
Yes.
Now then drop by themselves.
Wait till you talk.
Mommy,
Mr. Trench.
I say, hope say you know best. Say, I just tell you, say make you.
Oh no, I'm not a friend.
Mommy,
Someone dropped me.
Do you know Shiti's first name?
Oh no, because one time I sent him money, but I sent him money with another person's account, so I don't know his.
What was the name of that
guy?
account?
You they require that they drop you. You no go rest.
What was the name of that account?
I will send it to you. Let me see if I have history of that one.
Is it NS?
Me na block that okay now. Now what bastard?
Is it NS?
If it's NS, that's not his real name.
Let me check.
It was Ifeanyi. I don't say his name get Ifeanyi.
It was someone's this thing that I sent it to, so it's not him.
Now maybe Momo like stand for truth talk. Maybe now Momo account just give you make you collect money. You know,
I just normal random Momo account.
Okay, you can get anybody number to open Momo Sha.
Please, can we allow Caesar to speak? Caesar, please unmute your mic.
Good evening. So as I was saying, there is a last time that this guy go to live. I go to live, and he came to me for my live screams and be telling me that youth prefect. There is the one guy you call youth prefect. Youth prefect have been giving him special warning that he have to come and join them. That the guy was telling me that no, he's not ready for now because of the work that he's doing. So the guy was even telling him that okay, if he's not going to join them, he shall see. And even though he's not a Ghanaian, so he's claiming to be a Ghana. That is what that guy was telling me on my live stream before he did a video that they are chasing him on the motorbike and go. So that's why I'm saying that that guy called youth prefect, Ghana boy. I've said it that you see, I like the way stand for truth able to drop parrot mouth, because I used to be in a parrot mouth in live stream. He said that at that time Barrister have a problem. He said that Ghana boy, he be in brother. You know the Ghana boy is from Delta State. He be Robo boy, if you can remember, because I've invited him on my live stream and he told me that he be Robo boy. Me, I've joined that guy since he was doing that some content. I don't know what to say. That content before he traveled to Nigeria. That time I follow him. He said that he mother from Urobo and he father from Ghana here. So the parrot mouth know that guy because parrot mouth was saying that Ghana boy be his brother. He know him. You understand? That time that this guy is having problem, Barrister is having a problem. He said it that Ghana boy be his brother. So they have to hold that boy they call parrot mouth. You understand? That is why he come here. He don't have anything to say. You see, he don't have anything to say. That guy is evil against Nigeria. So that youth prefect and the Ghana boy will get this guy because he was the one who arrested Barrister first. He report Barrister in the police station. So the simple way is to get Ghana boy arrested. He's going to look for this guy now. Me, I know because I follow them all the platforms. It's because of where I'm staying is very far. That is why. If to say I dey inside Accra, this thing is very simple. Me, my boss is the chief now. He be chief of this Igbo community now. My boss where I serve, I know be small boy. My boss where I serve, we dey say aluminium profile for La Paz. So if I enter Accra where I meet my boss, this is the situation. Then we find this guy. This one is very simple, but just like where I am is very far away. That is why. So please, they should look for that Ghana boy. And that Ghana boy, he dey Accra inside. HASHIM, he dey Accra.
But now you yourself, you get the platform. I beg, they post the guy back to back. Okay. You understand?
Okay. I will try to do that because me cry. Even they banter with Parafman for my video, Kragoself. I dey banter and well. So as you see me, Kragoself.
I'm very useless guy. I don't even like that guy for anything.
See, he don't even get any content to do for Ghana here. He be comedian.
He not even funny, self. He not funny. Just they open that in wide mouth to talk nonsense.
If he be good in comedian, AY, basket mouth. Don't take this guy. demolish am.
Serious, abeg.
No, they support. Make them finish am. I know they go come up say somebody know they miss. I know they support anything. I'm just saying.
If we know that, we don't want Jeff Lester, we don't want you make you support before we don't care.
Here we are.
Don't come they tell us nonsense.
Which can because saying get to their follower. Who care? Person they miss.
Who cares?
For joke with this one.
Wait, you know even funny. You know even if you make me laugh, safe.
Wait.
Joshua want me to get my angle. Parrot mouth.
Those
people, they're all irrelevant to this issue right now. What we need to do right now is to actually massively push this agenda on the internet. For a start, Scissors, you have a platform.
Director, if I not drop Scissors, please. Scissors request.
I pick Scissors back. Mommy, mind that. I better drop you pick Scissors.
You can drop me just.
Scissors request, please. Okay, PR Guru the request.
Yeah, okay.
Scissors request if you have something to say.
Okay, guys, I want to add something to this whole conversation because the guy that just spoke dropped a very vital information, right? And I asked a question, right? Does anybody know his locality? When you say Accra is huge. Does anybody know his locality? Like, okay, he's in Amasaman, he's here or there. Then if you're going to go searching, then you start from his locality. That's what I'm saying. And Caesar just dropped a very important, information now.
According to MC called somebody and MC said, MC data picking, please, you need to send us
it. Come up. You say you don't talk to me, brother. If you come down for us. MC.
MC request, come up.
But anybody with Chris no come up when you say nobody, they miss that in the verse.
You don't trust me, King of Light.
No, make no allow nobody. Make no allow any Ghanaian come up for now. Because that's in the verse.
Because at the verse.
Because me, I go fight when it comes to this kind of
Hold on, guys.
Make him come up.
Hold on, guys. He's in Sawam. MC, is it Sawam on Sawam?
Let MC come up. Let him come up. You give us. MC has more information and information that.
Yeah, he has vital information.
Yeah, he said he lives in Sawam, which is now Sawam. Yeah, and I asked him, is there any police station in that area? I said yes. He said there is a big police station in that area. So I asked him, have you guys went there to lay complaint? He said no. He said he's going to meet his the others in their family, which is the elder brother. So maybe on Monday they will go there. I said, but on Monday is too far. You guys have to go and lay complaint there. So I don't know. We are not going to wait for them. So if there's anybody living in that area, I think that what you just said is a good vital information. We need to go to his locality first. Send that his picture, send that his photo. We are looking for a person because he lives in this place. You understand? And I believe those policemen there, some of them will know him there within that locality. I think so. So that is a
MC start. MC, do you think we can? This is just wait.
Joshua, hold on. Hold on, Joshua. So the guy you spoke with, how did you get the number, and who is the guy to him?
Okay, the first number I got is from our brother's page when he went to Igbo King's house. So I called his personal number. It did go through. Then I called the other number. Somebody in Africa, and I say, okay, please, I'm looking for a person. And I say, okay, what am I talking to? He say he's his closest friend that is called God Grace. So if you look at his video, that two night go that Igbo King as that guy. Understand? The two always move together. That is the guy I called. Understand? Because I saw the number. They said contact us through these two number because they are two normally to do video together. So that is the guy I called. So he now told me, he said this guy have been missing since then.
It's okay now. Who is bringing this card? Come here now.
You understand me? So I called him. That guy was the one who gave me.
I know who do one, but make I know.
So that guy was the one who gave me.
I don't know who be okay. Now we bring him.
That guy was the one who gave me his number. So I called his brother. Brother said, okay.
Stan, who be okay.
Even.
Wait, hold on, finish.
He said that they have been on issues with them.
But the guy you spoke with, where is he from? Where is he from? Because again, you can't rule anything out.
He said Ghanaian. He said all of them they are Ghanaian. He said Ghanaian. They are Ghanaian. His best friend. So they live close to each other, but he now is not around that Sawam. He said he went for work for another region, the Volta region side. He's at work now. He's at site. Say, but he's coming back this week. Understand?
At this point, then if there should be anything, he's a person of interest, primary person of interest. If there should be anything, because you can't rule anything out. I'm just
listen. You can't say you can't rule anything. Listen. We are talking to his direct brother. He said that he's going to meet his elder brother. You just brought a suggestion. The same person is the one who said that this guy lives in Sawam. Up to then, since we don't know where this guy lives.
I know. Sometimes my brother calm down. I know why I'm saying this. You can't say okay because they used to do things together, right? Then you call his number and he pick up. So again, no problem. Now we know we've identified him, and the other person Caesars mentioned, right? Can we find a way? And because this guy then complained to somebody about church.
I'm coming see. Like now, for example, now if something so maybe something goes wrong with me now. If I posted a video or any evidence that and I tag the number that please, maybe in my business or in anything, contact this 2 number. You have the right to call that number because I'm the one who posted that number.
Bro,
That
I
contact
know.
that number.
Don't get
So
me wrong.
they are both
Just
are
have
collabo
to keep an
together.
open mind, my brother. Bro, keep an
Understand
open
me?
mind. Just keep an open mind.
MC, you do well. You do well, my brother. The number when you bring
I
out.
understand what TMC they talk. Oh. Me, I understand MC well.
Zaza,
I think the next conversation should
Joshua,
wait,
I
make I
beg,
finish. Make I finish.
Zaza, what do you have for us?
I beg, make I finish first.
Zaza not there.
Zaza, there.
Director, I beg, make I finish. Zaza. MC, what do you suggest should be our next point? Since we have the brother's number now, we have connection to the family.
Okay, like what I said I would jam the number to host and you and Trenches. My advice now is for us to go to that local station where he resides, where he lives, which is that Sawam, to go and lay a complaint and take his picture there. We are looking for super for months now, for 1 month, maybe for some weeks now. So we get from there. I think we can pick it up from there. If it's really missing, if they have come to lay complaint before, they are still going to tell the person who we send there. Police is okay. They have came here before to lay complaint. No, it's not here, but we are working on it so that we know where to start. I think that is a good start. Yeah.
Okay, please, Zaza is here. Zaza, please, do you have anything to say?
Yeah, can anyone hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, I'm just hearing this, and this is unbelievable. You know, Chill TV is, this is unbelievable, and this is pathetic. This happened in Ghana, right?
Yeah.
I've been listening to the conversation since. We have to do more than this. We have to open live. All Nigerians have to, you know, we have to tell our people.
Yeah.
I mean, this is pathetic. I used to listen to Chill TV all the time. I see he's a very funny guy, and this is happening to him. So we need to tell.
But who knows? Maybe the people you guys recruited over there did this dirty job. You never can tell because again, you people were paying people over there to.
No, this is not the right time. This is not the time for this.
You can't say that.
Please, I beg, don't say that.
All those tribalism.
We don't have energy for that.
Stand for truth. I know what I'm talking.
No.
But not now, please. We need platform to speak against this barbatic act.
We have to speak. Against
this is an injustice, please.
He's a Nigerian like us, and we have to speak about it.
Yeah. No matter the tribe is from.
Even I didn't believe. I did not believe that it's this guy. When I heard about it, I'm just seeing his picture now. I said, "Oh, I need to speak about this."
Please, we all need to use our platform until the Ghanaian authority takes it serious. And if anything has happened to that guy, we'll be tied Ghanaians in Nigeria.
MC, please, you message us that you sent 20.
I already sent the number. You
have already sent it.
Zaza, thank you very much. Thank you so much, Zaza.
Thank you.
Please use your platform. Please, you guys should come up.
We message a lot of people and we need to talk about this.
Thank you so much, bro. Prince Xenophobia Empire. I know who you be, guy. It will never be well with you. You see, you Ghanaians, you are such a stupid. Oh God, I'm trying to.
Yes. The voice recording. We will need everything. MC, we'll put it in that group. Stand for truth, please. You message Trenchy so that I will add you to the group, or I will share you the link now. Stand for truth.
So I think that's a good start. We should go to that Sawam station and make it to lay complaint, and so that we know how to start from there. Understand? So that I think that would be a good start, so that we know, because they must know him there. They must know. If someone have been there before to lay complaint about,
you'll be surprised that what is happening to this guy is not even police. You'll be surprised.
Yeah.
You'll be surprised that it's not police. They don't come pick this boy at night for night. Area boys don't come pick this. Yeah.
Please, I don't go drag it. I don't go tell. Sorry, Accusations. I don't go tell Abe Governor, Mr. Zaza. Is Zaza here?
Yeah, Zaza is here.
Okay, yeah. Okay, better. Yeah. So we're gonna advocate for that, and then these people shall bring this guy out. They shall produce it. I mean, whatever they've done, whatever they have been maybe kidnapped or something. Everything will come to light. We'll make sure
danger. At first, if say this boy never do video before, say that they chase him with bike, I will not believe this thing. But he has done a video before warning that they have been tracking him down. They have been chasing him. You understand? At least now we are not seeing. If they say never do any video, or he never update us before, say that they try track and down, they pursue him with bike. You understand? We will not believe him. You understand? But this one, he has given us a hint before in case something happens to him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, please. The simple way, you know that this chief this guy, he have been going to Igbo King Palace. You understand? He have been meeting him always. Sometimes he used to go there. So my own idea is let's go and to Igbo King house and inform him this is what we are seeing. One of our boy, he used to come to your palace. You understand? And this guy is an artist, you know, he's an artist. Parat Mov, you know this boy well, he's an artist. So let's go to that Igbo King and tell him before we go to Sawu police station, because that Igbo King have to be aware, because this guy used to go in palace and make a video.
You are right.
Aware of
You
it.
are right.
So let's go and
I agree with
let's
you,
go to
boss.
his house first. Because if he where he get the case and if he go fit handle it for us.
And in the
before we go
influencer,
to any other
and in the influencer,
Yeah.
I agree with you. Yeah. Yeah, and he has influence. Yeah, I think he has a good point. I think he has a good
Which person you they talk about?
The Igbo King.
The Igbo King.
Yeah.
Okay.
He used to go to his palace and make a video.
See,
They all know him.
I want to suggest
But
something.
the
You
Igbo
said
King self
he-
get your own way they settle now.
Yeah, which is he himself,
him.
which is why okay, we can do things this way, right? We can firstly go to the locality, make a report of a missing person at the police station, right? That is the first step. Then later, then we can do other things for awareness. But again, Caesar, it's okay. He mentioned some names. I know what I was there. I know a few police people who I can say, okay, hey, this is what is going on. You understand? I know some langas be for there when I was there. So I can even say, okay, hey, this is what is going on. But again, you say he mentioned some names. Can we again then find just to know the people who he mentioned on your life were after him?
You know, please, the reason that I bring this idea is Igbo King have been supporting Ghana movie industry. You understand? And this our young man is aware. He know about it. You understand? So he have been supporting Ghana movie industry, giving his house and his car to Ghana people to shoot movies. You understand? And this guy is an actor. He used to also act movie. You understand? That's why I'm saying that we have to go to the Igbo King first and give report. This Igbo King, he have free mind to work on this thing before we travel to Sawom police station, because you have to be aware, because if this guy is not linking with Igbo King movie industry and going to the palace, because it's not easy for you to go to that palace, that one I can even say that okay, let's go forward to the police Sawom, because we as a right now, we can, if police, because you see us as a Nigeria, you understand, even though they can charge us some money and say we are looking for them and they will not even look for it, but if Igbo King stand on it, because this boy have been coming to palace and be making video with them, asking questions, they will be asking him, because I've been seeing the video. So Igbo King will definitely bring a time for this guy. I'm telling you the truth. That is the simple way.
Yeah, and can I ask? Do we have anyone? Do we have any Nigerian? Sorry, Igu. Do we have any Nigerian on this panel who is in Ghana?
That's the thing. We don't really have a representative.
You are all in Nigeria living in Ghana, yet you're all against Nigeria. I'm telling you the truth. So I don't even know all of them. So we should try to see because the man is living at East Legon, right? So let's see him first.
Then we go drag Ghanaians until Ghanaians.
Again, this part of mouth.
All right, guys, I hope I didn't waste your time by listening to all this bunch of people who are not living in Ghana, yet they are casting all sort of talks and stuff like that. And you know, because Barrister himself is scared of whatever it is, you see the way he's being careful about the kind of words he was choosing and the kind of word he wants to use for this particular thing. Because if you guys think that the guy is missing, why can't you go and report the case in the first place? Report the case to the police, get a report, and let the police look for the person. You don't just come on social media and come and be creating unnecessary awareness. When you see, because you guys are used to buying people and kidnapping people, you think Ghanaians have the time to do all this. Who is this guy that you think somebody will actually do something with? At least we all know, because I heard Basket Mouth coming in there to say that the guy is not missing, and you guys were quickly to push him out. You didn't even want to give him 5 seconds to even talk, to make a point. You know, at least give him 5 seconds to make his point. But you guys on this panel are not living in Ghana. Danger or whatever I call also came there. He want to make a suggestion. You guys descend on him, so you want to hear yourself out only. Igbos living in Ghana, you only want to hear yourself out because you guys have a master plan. Look, let me just tell you guys to say, we will not allow you guys to take over Ghana today or tomorrow. This thing that is going on, it will never end today, it will never end tomorrow. We're going to make sure that we deal with it. Like the way, what's the name? Atase's boy was saying all the things he was saying. To be honest, you guys have to do your best to go report the case to the police. Finish. Your own is to report. The last time you see him and all that. So you leave everything. You know, and Mr. Agbato, you just a traitor. You don't know what you are in. You think that you are doing somebody, you're doing yourself. One of these days, you see that the same people, like the way you were complaining that when you had issue, they didn't come to your aid. Don't worry, you get another one thinking that they will come to your aid. They will not show up. You were even lucky that your case didn't reach out to court. You would have learned your lesson out of that. Guys, I want you guys to comment about it, because this thing that they are doing is a setup. Okay, it's a clear setup. They are just making drama over it.
My humble advice for you guys is that please go to the police station, report this issue to the police. Ghana police are going to make sure they get him, okay? And hey, don't ever think that Ghanaians are like Nigerians. Hey, a Ghanaian can never kidnap this guy and keep in his house. Why? Because they are scared of their law. Like I said earlier, the law works in Ghana. Ghana is not a lawless country, okay? It's not like Nigeria that someone can kidnap and keep in his house with no fear. With no fear, because they know money can bail them. But in Ghana, if you like, you should be the most richest man in the world. As you step your foot into Ghana, listen to me very well, you must respect the law of the land. Period, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do also like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many as out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I love you guys. Bye.